My name is Roland Mumford with Mumford.Law. I want to discuss with you the applicable statute of limitations for Fourth Amendment violations based upon false arrest, not subject to a warrant, and malicious prosecution cases, which would be the cause of action you would have for a false arrest, search or seizure, or any other violation where there was a warrant. The statute of limitations for police misconduct in your state goes by what the statute of limitation is for torts liability, negligence, not intentional torts. So if you're arrested and you want to file a lawsuit and there was no warrant, for example, in Georgia, the statute of limitation is 2 years because if you have a car wreck, the statute of limitation is for 2 years. In Tennessee, it's 1 year. In Arkansas, it is 3 years. However, if you want to file some state tort claims for assault and battery by the officer, then the statute of limitations for those state claims is actually 1 year. However, the statute of limitation for the 1983 claim is 3 years. So it's very important that you understand that. The statute of limitation begins on the date of the arrest if there was no warrant. If you are arrested subject to a warrant, then it begins when the date of your charges are dismissed in most states and in most circumstances and fact patterns. There is some case law under certain circumstances where you may be able to try to go back and attack the validity of the warrant. If it's an invalid warrant, if that is your claim, then your argument would be there was fraud or omission of facts, misrepresentations. In certain circumstances, then you may be able to bring in a false arrest claim instead of the malicious prosecution claim or proceed with both. In a malicious prosecution claim, you're attacking the legal process. In a false arrest claim, you're attacking the probable cause of the arrest. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.